Official confirmation confirmed. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, former forward, ETOUGA Frank ETOUGA. Now ETOUGA bought 22 goals for Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the season of 2021-2022 football season. You know, Oni Kotoko wiye ordinary Al Masry Egypt, and the confirmation aba na report na mu se obenya aba Kumasi Asante Kotoko back na aba se you know a loan ena one team baako Egypt wana from El Gona ena ono omo awi loan deal confirmation no ha ye de bro fi abranti order screen so yi akoye back and forth Imoro asem na making oba Kumasi Asante Kotoko anase omba Kumasi Asante Kotoko na no pa ye sorry ye no ena Kumasi Asante Kotoko de offer bi ama no na sese de em se ebekwa akoye leave it or take it for Imoro ho asem wa ha me de bro fia aha Super 24 TV wadaroma unsubscribe ya subscribe button no wadaroma me srew na wabo so ama me na wabo notification bell no so na yedika subom no together. Follow our social media handles. Facebook ni Super 24 TV, Instagram Kumasi Blogman, Twitter Kumasi Blogman, abefo TikTok no so Kumasi Blogman na yedika subom no ewo ho. Yes, send me the kind catch no. Frank ETOUGA MBELLA wa join it with free Al Masry eden ani a kire Egypt wana team bi o from Al Gona FC na enewie ya omo de behwim. We welcome the player Frank ETOUGA who joined Al Gona on a loan from Egyptian club. Frank ETOUGA joins Al Gona on a loan from Al Masry. Welcome on board ETOUGA. Ena omo hashtag omo club no ena omo de match sign no eto ho na ti say loan ena okobo ewo se say no same country Al Gona for no ho chances of coming to Kumasi Asante Kotoko is still open because it's a loan move, but who knows echna the ebebe bia no yedebe bro ewo concerning that development. Now to Imoro Ibrahim ntia yensa kan say Imoro nsem no doso Kumasi Asante Kotoko amano option say onhwem na Imoro ene ne agency no just almost steady between 2 or 3 days they are going to get back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and I'm told say a 2-year deal be yes Imoro the special dispensation wo ho yeah, but Imoro no na nani ehwetokuro bim sa nsem no in due time me twen omo respond no eba wi a de ombia bepie etiefo de nsi ye ne yemmeka for now me do see a chia bebre me call